Open PicsArt app, tap on this plus icon, tap edit a photo and select the background. Friends, this is the background. The first step, you have to go to add photo and select the blue background. You have to simply stretch out like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to go to add photo and select the tape PNG. This is the tape. All you have to do is simply arrange like this. Tap on layers, tap on duplicate and repeat the same procedure. Friends, finally it is done. Now again tap on add photo and select the shadow effect. This is the shadow effect. You have to arrange one by one like this. Now tap on duplicate and you have to arrange for the 4. Repeat the same procedure. Friends, finally it is done. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to go to add photo and select the model image. All you have to do is arrange the background. I already did it. Okay, by using this cutout tool, you have to arrange the background. The background. Now you have to arrange like this. Okay. Perfect. Now go to adjust. Go to saturation, decrease the saturation and give little highlights, temperature little bit. Now tap on this eraser, arrange like this. I have to erase on the bottom portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Tap on opacity, decrease this opacity to around 80. Perfect. Tap on tick mark. The next step, we have to add the standing pose photo of this model. Friends, this is the model cutout PNG. I already did it. Now simply arrange. Okay. Now tap on shadow and tap on position. Keep it 100. Keep it 100. Now tap on adjust and arrange like I am doing. Tap on position. Keep this horizontal around 105. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, we have to add the shadow effect and the Instagram logo. Now first I am going to arrange this Instagram logo in this portion. The next step, we have to add the shadow to the standing model. It's very simple and easy tutorial. Simply follow. Now tap on these layers, tap on this duplicate, arrange for this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, we have to go to draw. Tap on draw. Tap on brush. Make this 128 and this one around 18. Set. Tap on colors. Select the white color and draw this portion. Perfect. Tap on tick. Now I have to go to add photo and select the model Instagram profile screenshot. Go to crop and crop the bio and profile like this. Tap on tick. Go to blend, make it multiple and arrange here like this. Perfect. Tap on tick mark. Next step, we have to take this image to the Snapseed application and do the final out. Since we are in Snapseed application, tap on plus and add the model image. Tap on pencil. First step, we have to go to text and write the model name. Now select the colors. I am going to select the black color, arrange on the top. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now tap on pencil. Now go to vignette and give little vignette to the border. Tap on save. Tap on pencil. Now go to tune image. Give the final touch up according to your photo. Tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed.